In this video, I am going to talk about my favorite farm animals and the reasons why I love them. Let me know your favorite farm animal by leaving a comment. Horses are one of my favorite farm animals. Riding horses is a great exercise. You can burn calories and tone your muscles while enjoying the nature. Horses are always happy to see us. They come when we call them. And they enjoy spending time with us. Horses gives you freedom, friendship, escape, adventure and excitement all at the same time. Horses are beautiful animals. They have inspired artists and poets through the ages. I also love goats. Goats are fun and hilarious. They do a lot of cool things. They are also very intelligent. Goats provide us with healthy and nutritious milk. And cheese made of goat milk is really tasty. Goats are as useful as a watchdog for security. They will bleat at everything and everyone that passes by your house. And let's not forget, goats are very cute animals. Another farm animal that I love are cows. Cows are actually very intelligent, curious, and able to think critically and solve problems. Cows form strong bonds and friendships, and they have best friends. They love you back and know when you love them. Cows come in lots of different colors. And they are cute to look at, especially baby cows. And of course, cows produce milk. Rabbits are one of my favorite farm animals too. A rabbit has a unique personality that is a mix of dog, cat, and a wild animal. Rabbits are sweet, quiet, and easy to train, which make them great pets. Rabbits can be very adorable when they are trying to get attention. If you live in a small farm or a small garden, rabbits are perfect for you. They do not require a lot of space. Let's not forget another of my favorite farm animals, the sheep. Sheep are gentle, extremely intelligent animals who are capable of problem solving. They also have sharp memories. Sheep are ideal for small farms. They do not take up much space and are quiet most of the time. Sheep provide us with wool, which is used to make clothes. Sheep's milk is very rich. It is high in components such as fat and protein. Baby sheep, which are called lambs, are one of the cutest animal babies. My next favorite farm animal are ducks. Ducks are cute and adorable, even when they grow up. Ducks have a permanent smile on their faces. They are social and friendly most of the time. Ducks are very good with kids. Ducks are good for your farm or your garden. They are natural foragers. They eat weeds and bugs. Ducks are the funniest things ever when they run around. One of the less popular farm animals that I love are donkeys. Donkeys are the philosophers of the animal world. They are stoical, pragmatic, intelligent, and they have great memories. Donkeys form incredibly strong friendships. They are loving and affectionate. Donkeys are adorable, and they have beautiful eyes, which are sometimes sad-looking and meaningful. My last favorite farm animal is the good old dog. First of all, dogs love living on the farm. It helps them serve their natural purpose in life. Dogs love to herd other animals, so they are very useful if you have other animals on your farm. Dogs protect your livestock against predators and guard your house against intruders. To say it simply, dogs are a man's best friend. Thank you for watching this video on Kiddopedia. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button to watch more videos like this about animals. See you soon!